Now, the cumulative frequency curve allows us to calculate the median and the quartiles very easily. If we just look at the table of the group's frequency table or the cumulative frequency table, it's not easy to get the median or quartiles directly. But to think of the concept, there are 140 club members, and we want to look at the value in the middle. Now, the value in the middle, we don't need to do the n+1/2 anymore, because remember that those people are in an interval, but we don't know exactly where they are. So we have already lost some accuracy. We have lost some details. So what does it mean to look for 140 + 1/2? It is really looking for accuracy where accuracy is not available. So in the case of group data, the median can be located at n/2. So the 70th person is has a height which is equal to the median. Now, if we look at the data, 20 + 30 is 50. So somewhere here will be our median. And sometimes the data is not easy to calculate. So let's do that from the graph. The median is at the point number 70, which is n/2, 140/2. So all we need to do is locate our location of the median, which is 70, and read across. So this is 165, and this is the median, and this is 70. To find the quartiles, the same process is done. 140/4 is 35. So the lower quartile, or the first quartile, can be calculated from the height of the 35th person. And what we do is we draw our line and then go down, and this is 155, so this is the lower quartile or the first quartile, same thing. Now for the upper quartile or the third quartile, we either count 35 from the top, giving us 105, or simply 3 times 3/4 times 140, and that gives us 105, same thing. And then we move across until we touch the curve and then read the height. And this looks like it is 174, let's say. This is the upper quartile or the third quartile. Now, what does this tell us? It tells us that 25% of the people are taller than 174. It tells us that 25% of the people are shorter than 155. It also tells us that 25% of the club members have a height between 155 and 165, and that 25% have a height between 165 and 174 centimeters.